Hey guys, Lunar Blackout here, and today got another unboxing and review kind of thing. Mainly an unboxing in this video though. I have the Razer Blackwidow Tournament Edition Chroma V2 here. And it just came in the mail today, and I did get orange switches on it, which I will try to show you now. So, I like the orange switches personally. But, let's get right into the unboxing of this, shall we? I also got some other things with it. This I will discuss in a later video, but it's going to be going on this. And I got the enhancement kit, which I'm going to put on this in another video. So let's open this with preferably a knife that I have laying around. Kids, anytime you're using a knife, always try to wait from yourself. Don't be an Aaron. For pure aesthetics, that was terrible. I will say that. Ooh. Let's see if I can. So, we actually have a package here, which I will show now. So, thank you, welcoming you to Razer. Got a little thingy here. It's a little welcoming thing, and of course, those are different. Holographic stickers. Okay, I like those. I will definitely be putting those on something. Now for the main piece. Welcome to the cult of Razer. You can see here. Also, I got a little special guest with me today. He tried to run outside, and well, he did run outside, and he's being punished a little. But he's here with me, and he's my little unboxing buddy as of right now. So I did get the Tournament Edition for a few reasons. The biggest being the issue of space on my desk. That is the cord. The next being the I don't like the keypad. Okay, so from my previous Razer keyboard, I've got a couple noticeable differences right away. So, right away, I don't have my numpad, don't have any macros. That's fine. That I like. Compared to my other keyboard. Don't have my audio or my USB. And I do like how this one actually plugs in. Let me get a close up. That's cool. See, the next thing here, this is the wrist rest. I don't have a table to do unboxings on, which kind of sucks. So, okay, that is a really nice feeling wrist rest. We got the Razer logo. And it says this thing's magnetic. I'll be damned if it isn't. It's most definitely magnetic. Will it work with other Razer keyboards though? No. Oh, that switch difference is phenomenal. Alright, so that's the unboxing of that. And I will hook this up and then show you guys from there. Alright, so here we are, guys. I have the Razer orange switches, like I said. But here's a sound test without the sound dampeners. Alright, and then we are going to take one of my keys off and replace it with a metal keycap. Just to see how people say happens with these metal keys is they stick up. But you can see the metal keycap on there is actually brighter than the others, but it'll have to work its way down into place over time, and they'll do that. But that is without a sound dampener on it. Wow, those are a lot harder to pull out. I'm going to keep all the other keycaps in the container with it. Maybe I should use... Well, they're the same key puller. But I'm going to throw a rubber O-ring on there. And I'm going to throw a rubber O-ring on the rest of these. And then we will go from there. Alright guys, so I got all the sound dampeners on it, and I have the keyboard now set up. I really like the magnetic wrist rest. That's a good little feature. I do like it, it's very good. But sound test, you can see the metallic keyboards glow brighter than the rest, or the metallic keycaps glow a lot brighter than the rest. But sound test for these with the sound dampeners. Okay, and now for the actual regular keys, and this is the orange switch, by the way, with the sound dampeners. Now a combination of both. Boom. That's a big improvement over the green switch, which I have right here, which sounds like a damn, I don't even know, it's just, I love that so much more. I don't like the green switch. I prefer the orange switch because of the loudness, and it's still got the same functionality. But yeah, that is an unboxing, review, all the above. I love these things. I love this keyboard. It's really nice. I really like the chroma on it. The wrist rest on it is really good, which I'm actually really surprised about. But my favorite thing about it, detachable cable. Hands down. No numpad. Nice little desk saver, as you can see. So, yeah, all in all, really good keyboard, really good, especially if you picked it up on the sale they have going right now with the metallic keycaps and the sound dampeners, or the O-rings. You actually get a lot left over, and you get a nice little cleaning brush too, which I didn't have to put to use because it's a new keyboard.